Have you ever turned on Do Not Disturb during a meeting, a class, or even while studying, and then completely forgot to turn it off? Hours later, you check your iPhone and realize you missed important calls, messages, and notifications. Well, today I'll show you a simple iPhone automation that reminds you exactly when to turn off Do Not Disturb so you never miss anything important again. Now, for this, open the Shortcuts app and go straight to the Automation tab at the bottom. Now tap the plus icon in the top right, then choose Create Personal Automation by scrolling down until you find Do Not Disturb and tap on it. Make sure now select when it is turned on and also make sure Run Immediately is turned on as well. Then tap Next. Tap New Shortcut, then search for Timer. Choose Start Timer. Now set your duration. This can be 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even just 1 minute for testing. I'll choose 1 minute for now. Tap Done. Now, whenever you turn on Do Not Disturb, for example, when you enter a meeting, the moment your timer finishes, your iPhone will ring. That sound means, hey, time to turn off Do Not Disturb. This automation isn't just for meetings. Here are more examples. For students, turn on Do Not Disturb for a 45 minutes class or any duration, gym sessions, prayer times, driving, focused work. And that's how you make your iPhone remind you to turn off Do Not Disturb automatically. If you want more helpful automation videos like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.